Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go's airplane mode not working. Now, if you're a Monopoly Go player and airplane mode is not working for you, you're getting that internet, thing on your screen that pops up either immediately or sometimes it's very iffy. Sometimes after 10-15 rolls, that's where you get it, and then you need to uninstall again. So you're in this video because you already know how the airplane mode thing works, right? So I'm not gonna show you that anymore. So how do we fix this? It's very easy. The first of which is, let's go out of Monopoly Go. Go to settings. In settings, I want you to look for the Monopoly Go app like this. After that, depends on your phone. You want to go to the storage part of your device, whether Android or iPhone, and you want to tap on clear cache. After you tap clear cache and clear data, you want to restart your Monopoly Go game, and that should work for that should work in fixing this. So if that still doesn't work, if it still doesn't work, there's another way that a lot of people have been using, which is using a VPN. And a lot of people, is it Photon VPN? Proton VPN. So it's the Proton VPN. It's this one, right? And once you use this, it's very simple. People have used VPN. Most of us have. It's very easy to install, and it pretty much runs itself. After that, you go back to your Monopoly game, and then you do the airplane mode, where you just tap on airplane mode here, and then you do your roll. And that should work. Most of the time it does. So far, I've been using airplane mode without doing anything at all, and I don't really have any issues. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.